In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can delete tasks in ClickUp. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go to the project that you want to delete tasks from. Now, I have this sample project open. So how can I delete some of these tasks? Simple. If you scroll to the right, you should see these three buttons right here. If you click there, a drop-down menu will appear and simply click on delete. And as easy as that, that task will be moved to the trash. Now, if you want to undo, simply click on Control Z. Easy, right? So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.